Hi everybody, this is Pramita here, and this is just a sneak peek and a very short video on my next project. That is that is a guest design team project for Ephemera's Vintage Garden. So I am blessed to have to have been to have the opportunity to work with such wonderful papers. These are from Ephemera's Vintage Garden, and the kit is Manor House Garden. And Thank you, Debbie Ann, for this opportunity again. If you have been watching my videos for a while, then you know that I had been a guest design team member of Ephemera's Vintage Garden, and this is like a homecoming to me. And these papers are so gorgeous. So I will take you along this journey, but the fun part is that if you buy this kit from the website, then you get an additional bundle of shabby chic kind of papers that more or less are cohesive with this kit itself. So let's do the flip through. So the main kit is Manor House Garden, which is absolutely gorgeous. Let me take this paper clip out, and the next thing I have to do is cut these out and start working on this. So this is the first page, and as I'm going through this, so some file folder journal card sort of thing, and also these pockets, these pockets can be made into floating pockets, hinged pockets. Cool ideas can be done with these. And this is just a page, and look how gorgeous it is. And I'm so happy to have been given the opportunity to work with this. I really love to work with florals. They really bring out that feminine side in me. I can't say I'm very feminine in nature, but I really love these. Oh my god, these flower arrangements are absolutely gorgeous. I have no words for this. This is so up my alley. And these can be used as pockets, tuck spots, whatever. And these, if you glue them on a cardstock and then probably use some glossy accents or crackle effect, then they can be your, kind of adornment on the cover. I don't know how this is going to take shape, but I have a ton of ideas that I'm already toying with. So the first thing I need to do, so this is a background paper sort of thing, but it's pretty neutral in the sense that you can use it as a background paper, but then you can also use it as a page itself. So the first thing I have to do now is to take off these whites and get ready to make this journal. So this is beautiful, absolutely gorgeous. It's Victorian style. They have this Dickensian feel to this. Lovely. And this is another one. So this is also going to give me some opportunity to have a play with my cardstock pattern papers, because I do have quite a few floral cardstock pattern papers that will match with these. So I'm going to bring those out and see how things go. So this is another one. Gorgeous papers and very crisp and clear images. Now I understand these way better when I am designing papers, and I really appreciate how much effort the digital designers have to put in to create a set of papers or ephemera or something like this. So this is what I was talking about. So that was the Manor House Garden kit that is complete. Now along with that you get a bundle of Enchanted Rose and some shabby chic papers. So this is one of those papers, which is shabby chic mashup sort of thing. And they are pretty cohesive with this kit, and that is one of the reasons why they have been bundled together. This is like a mini book, and you can make smaller pages also with these. This is Shabby Chic Mashup. Wonderful pages, and they are so they're putting all sorts of ideas into my head. And that's my creaking chair. I have talked about this creaking chair before, so some pretty postcards. These are all part of this bundle that you get, provided you buy it from her website. I'll put all the links in the description box so that you can access those. Beautiful page. Look at this dress form. Lovely. And this is telling me to make a smaller sized journal. Probably I'm going to make a smaller sized journal. So there are tons of pages which can very well go with the Manor House. This kit, Manor House Garden. And too much of florals, you can balance things out with a little bit of neutral papers like these. Not neutral, but vintage and shabby chic sort of thing. So this is the Enchanted Rose kit, and they go very well. So they will basically balance out the floral elements in the Manor House Gardens kit. So again, some page add-ons. This is pretty cool. So if you want, you can make it into journal cards, and if you want, you can add it as a page also. Some envelope, pocket, some library card. This is extremely beautiful. So this is Enchanted Rose. So if you buy the Manor House Garden kit, then you get the Enchanted Rose. And honestly, I have not printed out all the pages of the Enchanted Rose add-on kit that you get, because it had tons of papers. I did not need so much. So I did not choose to print that much, because I already had plans of using some of my cardstock papers, cardstock printed pattern papers. So I will be using them along with these, so I don't need to use that much, print that much. So I didn't, because I have some ideas that are going in my head. So I will post all her links, also her Patreon link, in the description box below, so that if you want, you can go and check that. And I would highly recommend that you go and buy from her website, because in that case you will get this add-on bundle at the price of Manor House Garden kit. So you buy the Manor House Garden kit, and in that bundle you get all these papers, and this is just about half of what there is, not the Manor House Garden, I mean the shabby chic papers. This is only the half that you get. I have printed only half of it. I have not printed all the papers. As I said, I have intentions of using some cardstock pattern papers also, so I don't need that much. So if I don't need that much, I do not want to print that much. So I will keep you posted on the updates of how the journal is proceeding, and show you what I plan on making. Maybe those are going to be very small videos, just like this one, and just to keep you updated on the project as I proceed. So keep watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe. That would mean a lot to me. If you want to support me, please, through Buy Me a Coffee, I'm going to put a link to that also. And also you can join my Patreon, which will have, I will post all the links in the description box, along with all the other details of this kit, as well as Debbie Ann's Patreon, so you can check, see what you like. And but I would highly suggest that you go and buy this from the website, just so that you get an additional benefit of getting these papers, and you can build your journal from there. So thank you everybody for watching this, and bye. Keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you. Thank you for watching.